Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I have an awesome product. It is a full metal clipper for cutting your hair, for cutting anything. You're cutting your beard, for even trimming around Yoda. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. You will get a hair clipper. You will get different size combs. Take a look at this. This is awesome. This is solid, complete metal right here. And listen to this. Woo! Complete power. What I like about it, it is rechargeable. It tells you how much more power you have left right here. It just feels good. It's not loud. Really fits nice in the palm of my hand. My wife used this to cut my son's hair. She used it to cut my hair. As you can see in the video right here, look how beautiful this gets in there, cuts around the sides. You can see how luscious my hair is. She really liked it. It is not heavy, but it is solid. It's easy to work with. It cuts around the ears, around the sides so perfectly. Using the different size combs gives her the precise haircut that she needs. Another cool feature about this is that it will last up to 300 minutes. Can you believe that? On one charge, 300 minutes. My wife could spend all day cutting hair.
That's a lot!
Right here on the back, that's where you will put your power adapter right here to plug it in. I mean, this thing is so awesome. Look at cats are getting lined up because they want to get their hair cut too. I'll have a link down below where you can find this awesome hair clipper on Amazon. We love it.
Abby just wants to have a haircut.
Our cat wants a haircut. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Please, excuse me. Get out of the way. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Please subscribe. Find that subscribe button down below. And like always, have a fun day.
Please subscribe, we need lots of subscribers.